Hi cookmates, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. Compliment of the season. Today I'll be showing you how I made my own version of Oriental rice. You start by adding margarine into your pot to toast your rice. Toast it very well. It will make your rice to go bad on time. Toast it very well. Once it toasts very well, proceed by adding water to cover the rice. Your measurement determines the amount of water you add. Add salt and curry, stir together and allow to cook. While the rice is on the fire, I diced my carrots and bell peppers off the camera. Now let's marinate our chicken. To marinate, I added paprika, I added curry, I added thyme, I added chili flakes, I added corn flour and light soy sauce. Mix everything together very well and set aside. For some reason that I can't remember, I added dark soy sauce. Mix very well and set aside. Here I have my other ingredients. I added sweet corn, unsalted butter, pepper mix, habanero pepper to be precise, and I diced my onions. Set the onions aside, and now our rice is perfectly done. Just fluffy the rice, fluffy the heat out, set it aside. You can open it so that it can get cold while we start with our chicken. Proceed by adding your butter. Let the butter melt out, then we can proceed by adding our marinated chicken. Stir your chicken very well. Add oil if it's necessary. I needed to add to mine, that was why I added oil. Stir it very well. At this point, the chicken is perfectly cooked, fried. I scoop it out and set aside. Continue by adding your pepper mix. You can decide to use all the pepper if you like pepper. I added extra. Proceed by adding your onions, stir together very well. Add your carrots, add the carrot first so that it gets tender. Add your pepper mix, add your sweet corn. Proceed to add your seasoning. I added curry, added rosemary, added thyme. Stir everything together. Add your salt and seasoning powder. Stir it very well. Don't overcook it. Now let's mix the rice and the veggies. So I shared it into two. The pot was actually small, but I was able to manage it. Add veggies and mix it properly. Remember I said the pot is small, so I had to go easy peasy. I already shared the rice into two to mix it very well. Then I'm returning it back inside the pot. At this point, you can serve your rice like this. Here is where the Oriental comes in. What I just added, I have dark soy sauce, I have light soy sauce, I have oyster sauce and sesame oil. I added it together, add into this rice, and that is what is going to give it this color. You know when you're eating Chinese rice, exactly. Now I just added the chicken we've made. I just added it stirred together, and our food is ready. If you get to this point, I really do appreciate you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you. Do have a wonderful Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Bye. See you in my next video.